Welcome to today's tutorial on enhancing your iPhone privacy settings. Today, I'll guide you through the process of changing these settings to ensure your contact details are only shared with your explicit permission. Begin by accessing the Settings application on your device. Navigate to the General section by scrolling down and selecting it. Within General, locate and select the AirDrop option. Under the Start Sharing By section, deactivate the toggle associated with contact sharing. Next, launch your Contacts application. Select My Card from the top of the screen. Proceed to tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Locate the Share Automatically setting and select it. When prompted, choose the Always Ask option from the menu that appears. You have now successfully configured your device to request permission before sharing your contact information. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips.